For this art project, you need black paper, soft pastel, wet wipes, and paper towel. The first step is to prepare the background by painting the entire paper with navy blue pastel. You can use your finger to spread the oil pastel so that the background is completely blue. When the background is complete, use white and blue pastels to draw two waves with interrupted lines. Use white and yellow pastels to draw a large circle for the moon in the upper right corner and small circles for the stars. Next, create interrupted lines around the stars using blue, white, and yellow pastels. The most important step is to draw the tree and village using brown and black pastels. Remember, the shapes of the houses don't need to be perfect. Start coloring the tree with dark green and then use light green for the reflections from the stars. When coloring the village, use the same black, green, and brown pastels. To make your village look more realistic, draw windows with lights using yellow and white pastels. Use yellow pastel to draw the moon in the upper right corner. Your Starry Night is ready. Don't forget to clean up the surface when you're finished.